So hi friends, in this video we'll see how we can delete the existing document in MongoDB using Node.js. So if you check the MongoDB, we have one record here with the email ID. This. So we create a method in which we pass the email ID. That email ID, that Node.js method will find search the documents with that particular email ID, and if email ID found, uh, then it will delete the whole document. So we must have to pass the email ID, or you can choose any property. In my case, I choose the email as a property to which we don't just search to delete that document. So this is the document which we have to delete inside the customer uh, collection, and assignment is the DB. So and this whole MongoDB is running on localhost. So so before this video, I think you must have to see how to create connection in MongoDB, how to insert record, how to update record. I have done all those video previously. You can check in my on my channel. So you will find you will understand more on this. So this is the document, and let rerun this application. So this is the console for that particular Node.js application. So let run this again, Node.js application. So so you can see Node app is listening on port 8000, and MongoDB is connected as Mongo connected on the starting. So now let's check the Postman. So this is the URL of editing. So we have to remove. So we have to change the URL. So the URL for remove is in my API, Node API is remove. So we have to only replace edit with remove, and remove, and also we don't need the new value here, which required for the update query. We only need the email. So that email will be searched, and if this email is found in any one of the document, the Node.js query will delete that document. So first let click on send. So it's showing error. So let's check the error. Obj is not defined at line number 86. So okay, okay. Obj is not defined. Okay, so obj is basically uh, where obj is equal to request dot body, because we send everything in the body of the request. So this is the obj. Now obj, we have obj, and so I think all good now. So let's run this again. So this is the so it shows deleted count at 0 because we don't have email ID with nix9489 at the rate gmail.com. You can see we have email with vix9489 at the rate gmail.com. So let's pass this. Now let's change nix with vix, and then click on send. So you can see acknowledge true and deleted count is 1. So we able to delete one document. So now let's refresh this. We have one document so let's refresh, and we'll check what happened. So you can see we don't have any document right now. So it deleted that document. So this is the way we can delete. And now let's check the code. So this is the API, and in the API we receive the body, and inside body we have the email. So this received email is assigned to email variable. Now we have to create a reference for a DB, and so in our case DB name is assignment in the MongoDB. So the client is just the object of Mongo client, and client have a method db in which we have to pass the db name, and it returns the reference of particular db, so it will assign it to dbo. Now we have to create a query object for which we are going to query to delete the record. So in our case we delete we query according to for the email property in any one of the documents. So email will be bind with the received email. So email and the value is received email. So this is the query object, and now dbo have the method collection which we have to pass the collection name which we have to uh, which inside which we have to delete any document. So customer is the collection name, and now we have a method delete one where we have to pass the query, this query, and it returns a callback function. If there is error, it will send the error, otherwise it will send the response to the client, to the API. So this is the code. This is the simple code. Hope you like this. If you like this, please subscribe the channel, like the video. We'll back soon with some other video. Thank you.